This is the unboxing of a Bose On-Ear wireless headset. This is the box from all sides, as well as from the bottom. We're going to open this together and see what it's like. Okay, there is a top flap with instructions. And here is the headset. Let's see what else is in here. There's a drying packet. Looks like warranty information. Something written in German. Multiple languages. And instructions. Not very detailed, but and for the most part that's in foreign languages, except the very first paragraph is always in English. Tells how to work the buttons, but let's open up this bag. It's a little travel package of some kind, soft, and it's zippered, which is nice if you're going to travel, I suppose. Put it in your bag. Inside here there is a flap for putting something in there, whatever you'd put in. A USB micro charger and what looks like a direct connect cable. And I have no idea what this little flapper thing is. It's hard and folded over, and it's open in the middle, but it's sewed down all the way around. This is the headset itself. There's a harder plastic band here, but it's foam on the inside, very soft. The arms telescope in and out. These bend in and out. I'm assuming that's for transporting in that little case. There are solid foam earpieces, nice and soft, nice leather. It actually says L for left. On this one it says, I don't know if you can see this too well. It says an R in the middle for right. And here's your selector switch here. There's a plus sign here, minus sign here, and the center is that selector. There is a little silhouette here that illuminates when it is on the charger. It's a battery. And right here there's a Bluetooth symbol that illuminates when you are in pairing mode. That's the USB port on the bottom, and the direct cable connection for connecting to this, apparently for something that might not be Bluetooth capable. pretty well built. This is the top flap on the box. On the underside is this card, and it shows to push the power button all the way to the top to make it pair, that you see here, and a light apparently lights up here. One's for recharging, I think, and the other one is for pairing. And then down here, that is this switch. The top is volume up, volume down. The middle, press it once and it will make things play or pause. Push it twice and it fast forwards. Push it 3 times, it fast forwards in reverse. And this also shows that touching this somehow places the phone in mute. And on the bottom here is a website that you can go to for probably more descriptions of this and support. Okay, I'm not going to go over how to pair this because everything works different. Cell phone, computer, but basically you're going to put this into pairing mode, put your computer into finding mode for Bluetooth, and then select this item and it will pair with it. Same way with your phone or whatever other thing you're going to do. It seems like you can also do this to a television or a tablet or anything like that. And again, this is the Bose On-Ear wireless in black on black wireless headphone. I connected with this. I paired very easily to my cell phone. It allows you to pair a second item by putting it into pairing mode again a second time, so you can have 2. And then you can switch between one and the other. I also paired it with my computer and played music. There's no real way I can show you that other than to tell you. It's very, very comfortable. They are adjustable arms, and it spreads pretty easily. It's fairly well built, it seems, and the sound quality is very, very good. Excellent. I'm very happy with this purchase. I'm glad I bought it, and I hope to have this for a long time. Thanks for watching me do the unboxing, and I hope it helps if you're looking to buy one.
I hope you liked my video. If you did, in the corner right there, just please subscribe, or give me a thumbs up, or share it with a friend. You can leave some comments below, even questions, or even push that bell down there, and that will give you notice when I've put out another video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.